Put a candle in a sardine tin. This hack can truly save the day. Take a regular candle, preferably a classic wax one. Break it into smaller pieces by hand and trim the wick with scissors. Put the candle chunks into the fish tin so nothing spills out. Then, place everything on a frying pan. Heat it slowly until the wax is completely melted. It should be liquid, smooth, and uniform. Once the wax has melted, remove the leftover wick from the center. Now, prepare the fish tin. Take some cardboard and cut it into long strips. Ideally, they should be roughly the height of the tin. Pack them tightly next to each other, coiling the cardboard into a spiral until the entire inside is filled. Leave a piece of cardboard sticking out in the middle to serve as a wick. Now, pour the melted wax into the tin. Do it slowly so it soaks well into the cardboard and reaches every spot. The cardboard will start absorbing the wax like a sponge. Once it hardens, your long-lasting candle is ready. Just light the protruding cardboard in the center. The flame will be calm and steady, and the whole thing will burn for a really long time. The wax-soaked cardboard acts as a fuel reservoir. It's a homemade, long-lasting heater that works perfectly as a backup during a power outage. A simple and cheap way to get light without electricity. Place rosemary on candles to reduce stress and improve memory. Place 3 candles in a pan and start heating them. Once the candles begin to melt, use tongs to remove the wicks and set them on paper. Next, take fresh sprigs of rosemary. Toss the rosemary into the pan and heat briefly. Rosemary has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It calms, eases breathing, and enhances focus. You'll also need a small glass jar. Place the rosemary sprigs from the pan in the jar, then pour in the melted wax. Before the wax hardens, insert the wick. Use a toothpick or clip to hold it in place. Once the wax solidifies, remove the toothpick and add a bit more rosemary. Your candle is now ready. Place it somewhere you spend a lot of time. Finally, light it and enjoy the relaxing ambiance. The scent of rosemary boosts memory and focus, making this candle perfect for your office or workspace. Place candles in fabric softener. The results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can be transformed into something entirely different. Take a pan and place the candles on it. Heat the pan until the candles melt. Use a fork to remove the wicks from the melted candles. Take a small glass container and pour the melted wax into it. Then add fabric softener. Sprinkle in a few cloves as well. Finally, add the wick to the mixture. Hold it in place with a clothespin so it doesn't fall in. Once the wax solidifies, remove the clothespin. Sprinkle a few more cloves on top of the candle. Finally, light the candle, and you're done. This natural candle will fill your home with a beautiful fragrance and help you get rid of unwanted mosquitoes.